Today, we are going to discover some functionalities of the CloudHPCexec tool. It's important that you know them in order to speed up your workflows using this particular tool. First of all, just type CloudHPCexec -l to have a list of all the options available using this command. The first thing, which is very handy, is the batch execution of the command. This requires you to enter 4 + 1 optional argument. The number of virtual CPU, 8, the type of RAM, HiMem, the type of script, snappy, hex, mesh, OF8 in my case, and the folder once we upload on the cloud, test, snappy, batch. If I type enter, automatically this command is going to submit the job on the cloud. Another command which is very useful, in particular if you want to create a script or an automation, is wait. Now we have submitted a new simulation that I can actually see. If I just refresh this page, I can see this new analysis which is currently pending. If I want to submit the CFD analysis once the mesh is over, I just tell this command CloudHPCexec -wait and simulation ID, obviously 42576, and then I type a similar command to the batch I did before. This time I increase the number of CPUs to 16. I use high core for open form solvers, OF8, and again test snappy batch. This time the command is not executed straight away, but it will be executed only once the first simulation ID is complete. If I open now a new window, we can move on and we can, for example, enter the details of our simulation. So I just retype help and we can, for example, enter using remote desktop a particular simulation. So this can be done using CloudHPCexec, VNC, and again the simulation ID for our case is 42576. If I just press enter, automatically I will be forwarded to a new web page with the simulation which is currently running. Another command very handy is the -delete command, which allows you to delete a file or a folder present in the storage. So I just type CloudHPC delete, I press enter, I just wait for the page to actually load, and it will be listing all the files and folders available on my platform, and once I have them I can manually delete any of these. Another very handy command is -download. Again, it works similarly to what we just seen, is we just now have to wait for the system to load. We just select a folder from which we want to download all the files, all the results files from the simulation. We just type enter and we wait for the folder to completely download all the files inside of the folders. Finally, while the download process, I just stop it while the download process is still in process. The last thing I want to show you is the possibility to just execute and actually exchange a particular file with the CloudHPCexec. Okay, all I have to do is CloudHPCexec and just type -transfer. I select the file I want to transfer and I just type enter. Using an external service named transfers.sh, I'm gonna be given a URL that once opened allows anyone to download the file inside of this particular transfer.